Manuel Manny Victorino, born December 30th, 1958, is a Filipino retired professional basketball player in the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). Victorino is a 6'5" slotman with the speed and skills of a small man. He is an impressive post-up player with a sweeping hook shot down the middle. He is also a dead-eye perimeter shooter and an excellent fast break finisher despite his size. Victorino ran the wings like a small forward and finished strong, usually with a powerful slam dunk. The former Jose Rizal heavy bomber in the NCAA first caught the attention of cage buffs when he made it as alternate in the RP youth team, which took part in the 1979 World Youth Basketball Championship held in Brazil. He entered the PBA in 1981 and was taken by Presto Fun Drinks from their farm team in the MICAA. Victorino went on to hold his own at a time when all-time greats Raymond Fernandez and Abet Guidaban were lording it over in the league. His stock climbed phenomenally in a span of few years and was already challenging Fernandez and company for supremacy inside the paint. His finest season came in 1984 when he won 2 titles for great taste and was named the league's most improved player. He earned a spot on the mythical team for the first time that year and for 3 straight seasons until 1986. Victorino became a permanent fixture on the mythical 5 selection. In 1987, he was shipped by Great Taste to Shell in a preseason trade for Philip Cesar, after 2 uneventful seasons with the Diesel Oilers. Victorino returned to the Presto camp, the ball club in which he was part of a dynasty of 4 straight championships from 1984 to 1985. He was second to Alan Kadick in scoring for Presto in the 1989 All-Filipino Conference. Compile stats of 19.4 points and 7 points to rebounds and outing. Won his last championship with the Gakongwei franchise in the 1990 All-Filipino Conference, besting Pure Foods hot dogs in a 7-game series. Victorino's numbers were down, with sophomore Zaldi Relubit getting more on his playing time. He was traded to Pepsi for the Hot Shots first-round pick in 1991, and Victorino got to play alongside Abet Guidaban for 2 seasons. In 1993, he welcomed the opportunity to play with Sonny Jaworski after being traded by Pepsi to Ginebra in exchange for rookie Victor Pablo. The following year, Ginebra traded him to Pure Foods for Benito Cheng, and his average and playing minutes went down, playing backup role to Jerry Codinera at the post. He won his final championship with Pure Foods in the Commissioner's Cup, but was left unsigned at the end of the year at age 37. He came back to play for Sunkist in his final PBA season. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.